my boy Lollipop. You make my heart go giddy up. You are sweet as candy. So you go. You are my sugar dandy.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel guys, and don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. On to the video. Today we're going to be making meringue lollipops. As you know, I love doing meringues because they're so easy, they're so cute, you know, and yeah, I just love doing them overall. And I have many videos of me doing meringue, so today I'm not going to detail into how I do them because I have so much videos, as I said before. So yeah, I normally start off as usual with 2 egg whites. You know, gotta get all that white and put the egg yolks to the side. You can do other things with the egg yolks, of course. And now I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt, and when it starts to get foamy like this is when I start to add my granulated sugar or white sugar, ½ cup that is. You guys already know, like if you're a continuous supporter, you know that I use ½ cup of white sugar doing this with 2 egg whites. So yeah, I almost forgot to add my vanilla extract, so I'm going in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it its added flavor. And you can also use a teaspoon of lime juice to do this guys, just to cut that rawness of the eggs, so that's good to use as well. So I'm just going in and keep going with my hand whisk to beat all of that till it's so soft and fluffy like this. Look at that, stiff peaks is what we want. So what use is a lollipop without the lollipop stick, right? So I'm going in now with my straws. Straws is what I'm using. I think they have specific equipment for this, but I'm just going with my handy dandy straws. They don't have to look colorful as mine. You know, whatever straws or whatever you have that can hold up the meringue itself. So when it's time for it to hold up like a lollipop, then you're good to go. So I didn't want them as tall as they came in the package, so I decided to take off like an inch or so on. I'm not sure about the measurements guys. You know me, when it comes down to measurements. So yeah, I did not use 4 to be honest, but yeah, this is how I want them to look. So to get the shape of the meringues, we're going to be using piping tips, and these are the ones I'm using in this video. You can use whatever ones you have at home to make your desired shape. And the 4th one I won't be using. The 3rd one that you're seeing right now, I should say, will not be using that one. So now I am just taking my baking paper, parchment paper, whatever you like to call it, and set it into my baking tray. And I did not grease it. It works fine without you greasing. So because I ran out of piping bags, I have to use my Ziploc bags to do this. Please don't judge me. Hey guys, sorry for interrupting this part of the video. I just want to come on here and tell you the footage of me piping out the meringues to show you guys how I get that lollipop look. I accidentally deleted it. Like, this is the first time something like this have ever happened to me. You can't believe it. Like, I feel so bad. What I did was record the video on one device, so that device I wanted to do something else on it, so I deleted it for more storage. And before I deleted it, I sent it to another device, so when I look at the other one, everything was there except the part where I'm supposed to show you how I get that meringue look, which is the important part of this video. And no, I can't retrieve it, so all I can say, the devil is a liar. But what I'm just gonna do is just continue to show you what I have, which is the after look of how it turned out, and me piping out regular meringues. And yeah, I'm so sorry for this, guys. Like, please bear with me. Thank you guys so much if you have reached this far, and for sticking by me. Like, thank you, thank you. Guys, I sincerely apologize again, but this is the finished look. I am so sorry I didn't get to see what I was doing, but you can try this at home with whatever piping tips you have. You don't have to follow my direction, but trying to fix or explain the situation in somewhat way. All I did was set a layer of meringue on the parchment paper or the baking paper, then place the straw into it so it has something to hold on to, then cover it back with some meringue again, and then start to pipe my meringues that I have colored in the piping bag. So you can style it however you desire. You don't have to follow mine because mine was not looking as cute. I don't know, tell me in the comment section if you love how I pipe them, but to me it wasn't so cute because I am kind of a I won't say perfectionist, but I like my thing to look a bit decent, of course. So yeah, these are how they turned out, you know. And I'm just going in now with some sprinkles. Everything is better with sprinkles, don't you agree? So yeah, I'm just gonna put them in the oven right now, and this is the finished look. Look at those, guys. Like, these are the smaller ones that I did before. Look at that, so cute. You can have these at your birthday parties, you can have these as little midnight snacks, you can have these watching a movie, you can do these with your kids. You know, if you have any small children around the house, your little brothers, your little sisters, you can do this with them. It's so easy, so fun. Look at the inside of that. So now I am just feeling to see if my lollipops are ready. No batter, no meringue is seen on my hand, so I'm taking my time lifting it off the parchment paper. Oh, look how it come off so easy, and I did not add any butter to the tray, which I probably should have but didn't. But yeah, like, look at that, guys. Don't you agree? They're so cute. But the back is not so cute, but it is cute at the front to me. Kind of the color is a bit messy, you know, because the meringue was getting soft. Like, Jamaica would there, Jamaica would live, and you know they eat. Thank you for tuning. I do hope, guys, you have in. What you show, mommy? As me I record, you come again. Eh? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can try this, it's so easy. I don't think I did them prettily, if that's a word, but yeah, they're cute. And these are how I do my meringue lolly. Here they are. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to bite into it because it's so pretty. I already know how they taste, but I probably can give a little, you know. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Yes, why you be my judge?
Tastes lovely.
You not even you not even eat it yet. You have to take a bite. No, that don't seem sincere.
Weird.
So you know them taste already, you know.
Good.